Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming you have administrator rights and that Creative Cloud apps are closed. Open Windows Defender Firewall with Advanced Security or your Firewall console. This is where you create rules. Once done, gather executable paths and service names like Adobe Desktop, exe, and Core Sync. exe because you will block them directly. Make sure to note whether you need outbound or inbound blocks. For Creative Cloud, outbound rules are primary. This saves time and prevents temporary re-enabling by the apps. You now create precise firewall rules. In Advanced Security, choose Outbound Rules, select New Rule, pick Program, and point to Adobe Desktop. exe, set action to block. Repeat the process for Core Sync. exe and UWA service. exe, apply rules to domain, private, and public profiles so no network slips through. Once done, add FQDN or IP-based rules for known Adobe domains if your firewall supports them. This prevents background updates. Make sure rules finish by testing. Start Creative Cloud and look for blocked connections in the firewall monitoring log. You should see attempted outbound connections denied. If the app still updates, check for scheduled tasks, Windows services, or auto-updaters that may re-enable connectivity and disable them. Once done, verify group policy or endpoint management isn't pushing allow rules. If problems persist, temporarily disable antivirus to rule out interference, then re-enable it and adjust policy settings accordingly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.